Hello everyone, today we talk about Python scholarship. Python is one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world, and it's an excellent skill for students of all disciplines to add to their skill set. Applications will be open from September 1, 2025 until March 31, 2026. The scholarship winner and runners-up will be announced on or around 1st May 2025 and will be directly connected before this date. Eligibility. Entrants must be at least 18 years of age to be eligible for this scholarship, currently enrolled in secondary schools, post-secondary school or an postgraduate degree program. Don't have a post-secondary degree in computer science, data analytics, or a similar or related field of study. Benefits: $5,000 for the winner to use towards further learning or formal education. $1,000 for 5 runners-up to support their education. Application: complete the free Introduction to Python and Introduction to SQL courses to prepare you for the challenge. Use your newfound knowledge, complete the 2 challenges and submit your responses. There is no cost to participate, and your contact information will not be shared with a third party. And the final winner selection criteria. The entrant who scores the highest in the scholarship challenge will be deemed the winner. Please see the scholarship application page for a full breakdown of the marking criteria.